Good morning from day 21 on the Appalachian Trail. I am just headed over the bridge at the NOC, ready for the long 14-mile slack pack. He's an idiot and bringing his full pack. But it's gonna be a great day. Penguin showed me the weather forecast. It's gonna be better than what it was last night, so it's gonna be a good day. Jeez, with this slack pack, I feel like I could fly, man. Such a good decision to do this one as a slack pack, because this is a major climb. Major climb. All right, I am about halfway through the big old climb out of the NOC. Feeling pretty good, but definitely out of breath. Glad I'm slackpacking for sure. All right, Cowboy told me to touch moss today, so this is me touching moss. There you go, Cowboy. That's cool. Huh. Wow. All right, there's Sassafras Gap shelter down there, and if you guys remember from 2023, this is where I stayed and my tent pole snapped in the wind at night. So beautiful memories. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop, eat some food here, and then climb up to Cheoah Bald. I did it. Gorgeous. 10 out of 10 recommend. I just want to thank Taylor Swift for writing the song Dress. It got me up this last hill on repeat. Best song ever. That's all I gotta say. All right. Made it to the top of Mount Possible. I think this is my last big climb of the day. There's a few little ups, but mostly done. Yay, 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 yay. I'm tired, man. Even slack packing. I'm glad I slack packed this section because it is tiring, but I can't imagine doing it with a backpack. Well, I have done it with backpack, I guess, but glad I'm slack packing. Almost done.